G'day everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are working on Glenn's Supra, but the car's not here. So if you saw our fuel pump upgrade video, you would know that we used the factory connectors just with new pins that we had here and wired the wall bro up to it. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to check it out. Doesn't matter if you don't. But yeah, so as we would have explained in that video, we're going to keep an eye on the connectors, and well, the connectors failed. So the high current positive pin for the fuel pump on the internal connector got a little bit hot and a little bit melty. So Glenn unfortunately had a bit of a breakdown. So he figured out what it was, and yeah, obviously no fuel getting to the motor, fuel pump, pin burnt out. So in today's video, Glenn's going to show us how he went about rectifying the issue. So stay tuned. What's going on here, Glenn?
So yeah, he burnt the pin that's running the Walbro 460, the actual plug that separates the fuel pump assy and the outside. Yeah, it's all burnt inside. Can you get that?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so car's not working.
So what's our plan?
So yeah, I'm thinking just chop this off and then drill a hole and then run some wires and then epoxy, because originally I thought I just could drill, you know, a little small hole and then do that on one side because that separates it, but then how do you get the plug on now? So that's yeah, so that won't work.
Alright, so what's happening, Glenn?
So yeah, I just drilled a hole into this plug, or used to be, and then I'm gonna fill it with resin. Just put 2 thick fuel pump, ground and power, and then 3 wires for the level sensor. So yeah.
Let's see if we can't make a mess. So, here's Glenn's new and improved fuel pump wiring solution. As you would have seen in the clips previous to this, if you were following along, we've drilled out the standard connector to fit the wires through, and we put in a chemical resistant 2-part epoxy. So it's all sealed, all modified, so no fuel should escape. Some slightly better connectors on the end and some Tefzel wire, and yeah, Glenn's now just got to take it home, put it in the car, and hopefully it solves his problem. So yeah, just a real quick one, everyone. So no cars, not much, but yeah, we'll see you in the next one.